When you're pregnant, nesting, and a professional organizer, you might think it's a good idea to organize your Legos by color. At least I did, and I had no idea what I was getting myself into when I decided to embark on what ended up being a 1.5 hour journey into sorting Legos by color with my daughter. I had been gifted this build-in-store organizer, which made it really easy for us to sort things. I can see so many uses for this product beyond Legos. Like, craft supplies would be awesome to use in this organizer as well. In any case, this is a much longer look at what it looked like to actually sort everything by color. In addition to sorting by color, we had another section for really large pieces, and then we made a section for, quote, special pieces. So this included things like the Lego characters, different animals, different accessories, and flowers, and things like that. And I have to say, it's been a few weeks since we decided to organize her Legos this way, and it's actually been maintained by her. I found that she's playing with her Legos so much more than she already was ever since we put it in this organizer. Now, I don't know if it's going to stay like this forever. It was definitely a fun activity for me to do that day, even though it was quite an undertaking. But nonetheless, it was cool to get to do with her, a fun bonding activity, and I'm glad I get to share with you a little bit longer version of what it looked like to put it together. I did find that this build-in-store organizer was slightly challenging to get back together and get everything nested properly in the end, but once I got the hang of it, it was pretty easy to do so. I do like that it comes with lids that have an actual Lego piece that you can build on. That's pretty darn cool, and I really like how compact it is when it's all complete as well. We shall see if I try this out with any other types of things than Legos, but for now it's just going to be the beautifully organized Lego sets that my daughter has all sorted by color. And so here you're getting a look at us putting on that lid that I was talking about, which has all of the different grooves on it so that you can actually build your Legos with it. You'll see I'm struggling a little bit with getting the lid on. And here's a final look at everything we did in that 1.5 hours that day.